Welcome to my channel. My name is Michael, and this is another wonderful opportunity. You have watched some of this video on my channel, how to make money from SunPower. SunPower is all about solar system. If you are new to this channel, we talk about cryptocurrency, we talk about affiliate passive income, and this is one of the ways we're going to make money from the internet. And I'm going to show you the packages that we have on SunPower. Now, I have explained whether SunPower is legit or not on this channel. Look out for the video. It's going to be in the description of this video. And secondly, too, SunPower actually has an office in Nigeria, and they are making money from the devices of solar renting and buying. So that is what you do in this platform. They have a real office in Lagos Island, and these guys are amazing, and I'm going to walk you guys through on these packages. Now, if you want to get on board, like I said, the link is going to be in the description of this video. You can click the link and register, and then you can start any of the packages of your choice. Now, whatever you do here, you are solely responsible for your actions. Making money is a personal decision. It's not something that you need to be moved or put a gun in your head to do. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your diligence. It's not something you know that you cannot afford to lose. Do not be part of SunPower. Please, I beg you. It's very, very important, and that's what I'm saying it now. So now, this is the packages. I'm going to click on if you fund. I've done a video on how to fund. Now, you see how to invest, and that is what I'm going to show you guys. How to purchase the packages. Where you click on purchase all, now it will take you to the various packages that they have currently on this platform. Now, yes, these packages, this very particular one here, now you can see has a question mark here. It has a question mark here, and as you can see here, it gives you 332 naira per hour. Now they say waiting for whatever time of, so you can see that you cannot actually know how much is that package, so we are still waiting. So let me move on to the package that's available here, and the total number of sold package. I'm going to explain that to you guys. Now this is it. Now we have 11 naira per hour, then investment is 8,000 naira, and then this is the number of items that will be sold on these packages. In estimated revenue reward for a year, we are getting 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5. That is, we are getting 100,000 naira from investment of 8,000 naira. You understand now, for 1 year. But you can, as you accumulate your money on a daily basis, you can actually withdraw your money. So that is the smallest package here, 8,000 naira. Now the next package is 117 naira per hour. Sorry, and then this is 6,157 naira, 67 items sold, and it goes for 90,000 naira. You are earning per hour 117 naira per hour. So to do that, divide by that by 24 hours, you will know how much you have earned in a day. Now at the end of 1 year, you are going home 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So you have 1 million naira from this package at the end of 1 year. But as you accumulate, you can make withdrawal. Like I said, you can make withdrawal as you accumulate your money as you move on. Now the next package, which goes for 100,000 naira, 10,000 naira, sorry. That is the package, 10,000 naira. This is the sold item, 41,000 naira sold already, and you are earning 12 naira per hour on a daily basis. Now the cost of it is just 10,000 naira. Now here you can see that 1 2 3 4 5, you on this 10,000 naira, you are earning about 100,000 naira in a whole year. This is a whole year. But as you go on, proceed in the business, you can make withdrawal when you accumulate, and the minimum withdrawal is just 1,000 naira. So that is the package, and we are moving on to the next package, which is 30,000 naira, and you are earning 36 naira per hour. Then this is the total item that will be sold on this package. You can own as many package as you want on this platform. On the 30,000 naira in a year, you have 1 2 3 4 5 5. That is 1 2 3 4 5. You have about 300,000 naira on 30,000 naira investment in 1 year. You understand? Now we move on to the next package, which is the 200,000 naira package. Now on the 200,000 naira package, you earn every day, every hour, 285 naira. Then this is the total amount of sale, 2,623 naira. This is the investment. Now in 1 year, you are earning 1 2 3 4 5 6. That is 2 million naira you are earning in 1 year from this package. If you do your math, 285 naira per hour, you know how much is it for 24 hours. So that is just it on this package. Now I can see they have updated so many other packages too. That is good. So on the other package, which is 500,000 naira, you are earning 772 naira per hour. And as you can see here, they have sold 2,979 naira. And this is the investment package for this. You are investing 500,000 naira. Now, what do you take home at the end of the whole year of your 500,000? 1 2 3 4 5 6. You are taking approximately about 6 million naira home in the 1 year period of buying this item. Tiger Pro HDTC, that is the name of the package of the equipment that you are buying on this platform. Now they have this one that is going for 800,000 naira. It's a new one from the last time I did my video. And look at what you earn per hour. You are earning 1,350 naira per hour, and you can see about 443 people have bought this item. Let me just put it for 3 people, and you can see here is 800,000 naira, and this is your take home by the end of 1 year. You can still accumulate and withdraw. If it's weekly, daily, it's your choice. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. That is about 11 million naira per year on a 800,000 naira investment. So that is it for that. And you can see all these ones, they have about 1,000. That Tiger Neo 786. You earn here hourly. The hourly is about 1,000 for 10,000 per hour. You can see this one, 10,000 per hour. So on these packages here that you are seeing 1,800, you can see that it does not have any quality sold and all of that. You say it's waiting and you cannot have access to it. I know that there's some certain kind of amount you have made here that these ones will be open for you to make purchase. That is what I know for sure. But if I verified it, I will let you guys know. So that is how to make money on SunPower. Now in my next video, guys, I'll be talking about this daily tax here. You see this daily tax, how you can actually make 100,000 naira from this daily tax. You can see I'm doing it currently and I'm on this stage. Now they say earn 1,000. Now this is how you keep earning by doing this tax till you get to 100,000 naira. But how can you earn 50,000 naira from doing this daily tax is what's going to be my next video, and I want you to watch out for it. So guys, if you are new to this channel, what do you do? As you see this video and it's very helpful, what do? You click the like button, comment, then you'll see the subscribe in the description box. You're going to see my link to get on board. That is 1. And 2, do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to click the bell icon to get notified whenever I drop a new video, and I'll be very glad to hear from you guys. Thank you so much, and thank you for watching. Bye. For old subscribers, I want to tell you you are the VIP here. For new subscribers, for new guys who are watching this video, thank you. Want to be part of this community, and we would love to hear from you. See you in the next video. Bye.